You all will agree with me that this is the first time we'll say we have what you might call a 3-horse race, maybe even 4. Therefore, it's no longer business as usual. We cannot just rely on the tactics of the past. We must now come up with new tactics that suit the moment. There's no point lying to ourselves that we have won already, even though that is why we are here. We want to win. Therefore, we must work hard to ensure that victory. That victory is within grasp. We've never had it so good and so near. Our president, come 2023, is Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. For us to be able to enjoy that May 29th, 2023, we all must work hard in our various wards, our various local governments, our various states. No point waiting. No point waiting for any person from Abuja or from any other state. Go to your own state, grab your own grassroots, and do what is needful to succeed. I can assure you that under our own leader in Edo State, Edo will be delivered, minimum 70%. We are fully in support of our governor, and we shall give him the necessary prayers and strength to deliver to our own son, the Vice President, Ifeanyi Okowa, because he's one of us. Ifeanyi Okowa is one of us, and we in the South-South, we are proud of him. So we must work extra hard